What I've done is the valve seats are kind of like black, not scale on them, but little black deposits of crap. Not so much on the intakes, but on the exhaust. So what I did was I lapped them. Bought one replacement. It was broken. I've already checked it with valve grinding compound. I've already checked it with a Prussian blue. And you just lap them in so you get a nice clear stripe. This one's already done, but I'm just doing it again just to show. And you really look at it and it's just jewel-like. I tried this at work a few times, it doesn't work. There you go. There you can see a perfect little stripe. That's a nice seal right there.
Boston's independent radio, 92.5 The River.
Yep, you can see it there too.
It's the weekend on the river. Be independent.
That's a nice valve seat right there. It's beautiful, just beautiful. So happy the way this came out. And these valves just shine, it's so nice. They're all measured and straight and everything. Well, here's the damage that was done and what required this entire rebuild. Well, the other two pistons that were munched, but this is the replacement valve, and that right there is the dent in the valve seat. You can see it's right below the seal. So I'm going to let that go. Just like that. Can you see that? It is right there.
Money-saving coupons on the things you need from local stores and restaurants at your fingertips.
Right there, see it?
Print and save at nhcoupon.com.
nhcoupon.com.
So the seal is right there, that stripe. It's beautiful. Cleaning parts. Cleaning. Like a little squirrel. can see they're all clean.